Welcome to Rome Tips. Don't forget to like this video and subscribe to the channel for more helpful content. All the links to the products mentioned in this GoDaddy website builder review are down in the description below. This review reflects my personal experience using the platform. GoDaddy's website builder, marketed as GoDaddy Websites Plus Marketing, has positioned itself as a user-friendly and accessible tool. It's specifically designed for small business owners, freelancers, and individuals seeking a fast and efficient way to establish an online presence. This platform cleverly merges website building functionalities with marketing tools, providing a comprehensive solution that eliminates the need for juggling multiple services. A key strength of GoDaddy Websites Plus Marketing is its intuitive drag-and-drop editor. This feature makes it incredibly easy, even for complete beginners with no prior web design knowledge, to create and personalize their web pages. Furthermore, its AI-powered design assistant truly sets it apart. This intelligent feature significantly streamlines the website creation process by automatically suggesting layouts, styles, and even relevant content based on the user's specific industry. This not only saves valuable time and effort but also ensures a professional and polished final product. GoDaddy also offers a diverse range of mobile responsive templates. These templates are easily adaptable to a variety of industries, catering to businesses ranging from e-commerce to service-based operations. The seamless integration with GoDaddy's own domain services further simplifies domain management, creating a smooth and streamlined experience from initial setup to ongoing maintenance. GoDaddy Websites Plus Marketing comes equipped with integrated SEO tools designed to guide users through the optimization process. This helps ensure their websites have a greater chance of ranking well in search engine results. For businesses prioritizing customer engagement, the builder includes features such as email marketing integration, social media connectivity, and appointment scheduling capabilities. Basic e-commerce functionalities are also incorporated, enabling users to quickly set up an online store. However, it's worth noting that for users with more complex e-commerce requirements, the platform's features might feel somewhat limited when compared to dedicated e-commerce platforms. In my experience, GoDaddy impressed me with its user-friendliness and all-in-one approach. It's particularly well-suited for those who want to create and manage their website with minimal technical hassle. While it may not offer the same level of deep customization or extensive third-party app integration as some more advanced website builders, GoDaddy excels at providing a reliable and easily navigable experience for small businesses and entrepreneurs. To summarize, GoDaddy's website builder is a great choice for users who prioritize simplicity and integrated marketing tools. If you need a quick, effective solution without the complexities of other website building platforms, GoDaddy is definitely worth considering.